What I got in here, this is a whetstone, which means that it works better when it's soaked in water. You can buy these for a couple of bucks on like Amazon or whatever. They have two different sizes, a smaller number and a bigger number. The smaller number is a rougher side, and that's the one you should start off with. This is gonna again regrind your edge of your knife. So if I'm taking this, again, the same angle that you would want to go with on your steel. So again, you don't know that, you know, 90 degrees, 45, and then somewhere in that 20, 22 range. And just pull your knife across that stone with an even pressure, and it's gonna regrind your knife. You all can do this, and I know you can because I taught my Cub Scouts on Monday or Tuesday how to do this, and the oldest one was in 5th grade, and they all managed to do this. So I know you guys can do this if you had a stone and the time. I know you can. All right. Once you end up hitting it like this a couple times on the larger side, the smaller number, go to the bigger number, which is going to be a much finer stone, finer grit, and you do the same thing. Okay. Listen, some folks don't want to do this. They'll get little pull-through sharpeners, and they work, but they aren't the best for your knife. That gray on my towel, that's actually like, that's metal from my knife and my blade. It's been ground down a little bit right there. I like taking a piece of leather, and once you do that, you can actually like just really just rub your knife across that leather. You use a leather belt if you want to, and that works real well. And this just takes off any kind of like burrs or like other pieces of metal shade that didn't come off of your towel, and it really polishes the blade, and it looks almost like glass, the edge of glass down there. So it's super, super sharp, much better now, which means I'm gonna cut my finger off doing these demonstrations with you guys.